Yeah, there we go. I went to the photos. So is this art?
Yeah, I do think that's a lot of like
Trust.
an American house would never fly.
No. It just shows how stupid we are.
Huh?
It just shows how stupid we are.
So yeah, I didn't know what the Basque stuff was about at all.
Yeah. I thought they were just whaling partners.
Well, I was trying to read plaques and kept moving me along, so I
did
never
not
got to
move you
read
along.
everything.
Move you along with the bird plaques. Bosque, I would never move you along with Bosque plaques. Let me know if I'm about to hit something. Yeah.
You're good.
Nothing.
There isn't. I was just saying as far as appearance.
Kind of cool. So you like the tour?
Huh?
It's very informative.
Yeah, I have more questions about the museum consortium thing, but I can't formulate them well enough to make a question. Also, I feel like as soon as I can figure out a question, get moved on, there's more room to flow.
Word. Well, it's also like, I mean, this part of the museum is obviously just knowledge. But I think when you're down there, that's the perfect time to ask that question. You know? Because that's more of a structured museum.
Yeah, but it's also one of those things like he was saying down by the turning wheel. You don't really know what's important until you realize it's important, and usually by then, too late.
Yeah. Gotta watch. I don't think I'm hit it though.
You're fine.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it fine?
Yeah.
Oh, I have a low. Oh, not small, man.
Neither am I.
I didn't want to see the restrooms back here.
The what?
See those restrooms back here?
Oh, the showers? And the toilets?
Oh, God. Yeah.
Yeah.
Part of me was wondering. Belt? Yeah. Yeah. My stick going in? There's a bed back here.
Huh?
There's a bed back here. This room goes back to the main room. What the fuck?
I think we gotta go back the way we came.
There's a couch in there.
Okay, but I think we should go back the way we came.
Quick look. Back the way we came.
So, where was the shower?
Yeah. This was Hamlet.
Was it Hamlet?
I don't know. It just sounds like the right answer whenever those in play.
Oh, okay. So I get anybody as a performance in the venue and as a like adventure thing. I get it seems like they're looking for different ways. Because that's the thing. That's the thing that like destroyed me about that profession in general.
Yeah.
It's like it's all well and good, like it's all a noble cause. But
Here, can you watch out? Hello. You had the show last night?
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
it was good?
Yeah, people didn't left, so I think they were happy.
Oh.
It was crowded all over.
Yeah, we heard.
A lot of people.
Oh, cool, cool.
It was very nice.
Wonderful. All right, take it easy.
Yes.
It's warm.
Yeah.
It's really warm.
No, today's would be 40, 60.
So, what I was saying is, it's all well and good to want to like preserve all these things and make all these things.
Yeah.
And then you realize that really most of your job is fundraising.
Yeah.
That's why I didn't go into museum studies. Because it's like all of the very different methods of preserving things and like why you should and like how to go about doing it best.
Yeah.
But then you realize But then you realize that, like, for the most part, it's not sustainable unless you spend a good amount of your time fundraising, getting good enough funders, and figuring out some ways.
Yeah. Well, you're not doing it anymore. Things inside.
Ja.